All right, so we got our first break of Impeccable. Number 1. Here are the teams. We got the Bears and Texans as a combo, Browns and Falcons as a combo. All right. Wait, let me grab the names. Number 1. There we go, 30 entries. There it is. And there you go, 30 spots right there. Thank you, everyone, for buying it all out. Let's roll the dice and mix these teams up, huh? All right, it's going 6 times. There's 1. All right. Chiefs in the 30 spot. Steelers in the 1 spot. All right, here's our name. We're going to go 6 times. Kyle B down to Mark. Let's do it 6 times. Bengals are at 11 spot. Dolphins 19. Chargers 26. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up the case. I'm going to mix them up. All right. I'm going to mix up the boxes, and then I'm going to stack them 1, 2, and 3, or I'll lay them out 1, 2, and 3, left to right. And then we're going to randomize which box we're going to open first. All right. So there it is, 2020 Impeccable opened. Right. All right. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to go back. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go back here. And we are going to randomize to see which one we are going to pick first. All right, box 3. There's the verification code. Box 3 is the one we're doing first. So let's go back here. There we are. And box 3 is right here. So we are going to, I'm going to keep them 1, 2 there. So you can see that, and that will be box, oh, here, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we are doing box 3 first. So, Valda, you got the Steelers. Dave K, the Rams. Kyle B, the Ravens. Dave K, Eagles and Bucks. Kirk, Washington. Larry, Colts. Kyle G, Giants. Larry, Packers. Kyle K, Cardinals. Kyle G, Bengals. Nice. Broncos here. Panthers, Larry V. 49ers, Valda. Let's go, Valda. Get those 49ers. Travis, the Jets. Steve, the Titans. Kyle K, the Cowboys. Bears and Texans go to William Walsh. That's you, William. Kyle K gets the Dolphins. Donald M gets the Browns and Falcons. Lawrence gets the Jaguars. Dave K, Seahawks. Kyle B, the Lions. Mark Lesh gets the Bills. William Walsh gets the Patriots. Jared Slim gets the Chargers. Congrats, Jared. Larry V, Raiders. Dave K, Saints. Larry V closes out with the Vikings and Chiefs. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So here we go. Impeccable, box number 3, break number 1. Empty. All right, here we go. We go DJ Chark to 50 for the Jaguars. DJ Chark to 50 for the Jaguars. Jaguars. Lawrence K. Thanks, Lawrence. 3 of 50. Oh, our boy Mitch Trubisky to 75. Mitchell Trubisky and the Bears to 75. We go Devin. Ooh, 10 out of 10 for the Ravens. Devin Duvernay. Look at that. That is sick. Look at that. Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. Kyle B. We got the Eagles. John Hightower. 34 out of 75. John Hightower. For the Eagles. Dave K. We got Sir Ben DiNucci for the Cowboys. 9 of 75. Ben DiNucci for the Cowboys. 9 of 75. We hit the helmet of his. Now we have the Master Strokes. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles, Dave K. Look at that. 25 out of 25. Brian Dawkins. And then we have another Raven. 53 out of 75. J.K. Dobbins. J.K. Dobbins. Devin Duvernay. 10 out of 10 for the Ravens. And Brian Dawkins, Master Strokes. CK. Brian Dawkins, Master Strokes. There you go. That's J.K. Dobbins to 75. All right. Well, we got ourselves the metal card, and it is Jimmy Garoppolo Silver. So the first box, or the third box, first break gets the silver. So the Aaron Rodgers football will be random off to the break. This is ginormous. 49ers. Valda, that is yours. Congrats, Valda. welcome, Valda. Thank you for buying into some spots. I'm going to put this into a team bag real quick. There you go, Valda. Congrats. Tommy will. Valda got the Jimmy G. So now, since that was the first box, we are going to add in the Aaron Rodgers football. Your 49ers, 19/20, silver. All right. So let's go back here. Let's refresh. Oh, wait. All spots. There it is, Precious Meadows. Brian Dawkins and Devin Duvernay. 10 out of 10 and 25 out of 25. All right, so let's go here. All right, here we go. This is for the Aaron Rodgers football. Since we hit the silver card in this break will be awarded the football. So good luck. Rolling the dice. 8 times. Kyle K, congrats. There's that verification code. Kyle K, congrats. Very nice. Very nice. All right, so that is break 1